Hey fantastic you, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today we're going to do a dustpan pour. Got my dustpan right here. And color wise we've got black. This is Artist Loft Soft Body Black. The rest of the colors are all Liquitex. So we've got Brilliant Blue, Cadmium Red Deep Hue, Turquoise Blue, Dioxazine Purple, Light Blue Permanent, and Gold. So I've got over 200 grams of the black, and the rest, not including the gold, is over 100 grams. These colors are mixed about 1 part paint to 1 3/4 part pouring medium. The pouring medium is 60% PVA glue. I use Elmer's glue wall and 40% water. This one was closer to 1:1. Actually, I think it's more paint than pouring mixture, but this is a thinner paint on its own. I have less gold because I just want to have some pops of gold, hopefully. I've never done one of these, so let's keep our fingers crossed that this is going to work. I've got a little cup thing underneath my dustpan, so hopefully it doesn't fall over. So usually I would stop the camera, pause, and let you not have to watch this, but because I've never done a dustpan pour before, I figured I'll just show all the steps and hopefully I do it right. So there goes in all my black. Lots of bubbles. I just made this up, but it is thinner than my normal paint. I'm just going to pop some bubbles. There we go. Okay, I'm going to put the paint in this order. So I'm just going to kind of start on an edge and hopefully this works. I really hope it will. Just going to bring the black up a bit. Make it a bit more even. Okay, that's a bit better. And again, I have no idea if this is going to work. If it doesn't work, this will be quite a bit of paint. Okay, I'm going to move these guys down a little bit. My workspace isn't big enough for this type of painting. Our Brilliant Blue. Just gonna get as much out as possible. Gonna put our Light Blue Permanent on the other side. Hopefully I don't have this too thick. I was worried if I went too thin, then I would get a lot of muddying of the paints. No silicone in this. Not interested in getting cells today. Okay, we're gonna put the cadmium red right there. And it was a complete guesstimate on how much paint I was going to need. I won't scrape out the red. Let's put our purple in here. Okay, our turquoise, that's going to go right in the center. Looks nice next to the red and the purple. Okay, and now for the gold. As I said, I just want little blobs of gold. That's probably good for the gold. Okay, I'm gonna start on this end and work my way to that end. I'm gonna get my cups out of the way. Give me 1 second. I don't wanna run out of space. Put those over in my trash bin. Okay. Wish me luck. There we go. Just got a little bit of blue paint on the side I scraped. It's gonna go like that. So I'm gonna give this a quick torch, just because there's a lot of bubbles. There's a few I'm gonna have to pop myself. So hopefully that little hole fills up. I don't like the look of that. Looks like it's going to. So what do you think of the gold? Is that a good addition? Just gonna help that fill in. There we go. We're going a little bit over the sides. I'm gonna fix my edges probably after. Just want to get a couple of these bubbles popped. Don't know if you can see them on the camera or not. So it's looking like I have my paint thick enough. But we'll have to wait and see. Doesn't appear to be really spreading out too much, so I'm happy with that. Just grabbing my little side tool. Got a little bit dripping off there. Quickly do this side. Yeah, not a lot is dripping off, so definitely happy with it. It gave me an interesting design. I'd say I did pretty good for my first try. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.